Welcome for the weed sprayer unboxing video. Actually came with two things in this here. One is multivitamin gummies. Maybe we're upside down. Nope. Paper for multivitamin gummies. Main star of our show is this Chapin sprayer. We want to use it for killing weeds. Also has its own box. Here it is. 1 gallon. Pump it up. Put your mix in there and spray it out. All right. Check the link in the description. So there's Chapin's spray holder here, a gallon here. So at first it's a little confusing when you look at it. It's like, well, okay, I don't understand. This has got threads on it. This doesn't have threads. What's going on? So basically what we're doing is we're inserting the discharge assembly in here like this. Make sure there's no gap there. Then perhaps on this end is what is supposed to be screwed down there. See, I didn't see that when I first took it out. Let me make sure we got this right. So you gotta make sure that this is securely tightened, is to make sure it doesn't go boop, because you're going to be putting pressure on this, right? Once we have that done, then we can connect our sprayer. There are different types of attachments you could get for the wand. Ours is simply a straight piece. There we have it. Now all you need to do is fill this up. So this solution's for killing weeds in rocky areas, areas where other things don't grow, because this will kill everything. But it's safe to handle. We're talking distilled white vinegar, salt, and dish soap. We want to put a little dish soap in. This is to help clean to the plants. Some salt in. Which is to help dry up the plant, and then distilled white vinegar. I'll go ahead and swirl it around a little bit. Next, we'll go outside and spray the plants. Best to do this on a sunny day. That way the rain doesn't wash the stuff off the plants. You want it to stick to the plants and let the sun do its job. Let's get to it. You have to pump it somehow. So just a couple hours after applying our vinegar, soap, salt solution, you can see the weeds just don't like it too much.